An example of consumer fraud in a retail store. We find Jessica browsing through the aisles of a clothing store, her eyes scanning the racks with intent. Jessica emerges from the dressing room wearing a sleek black dress. She admires herself in the mirror, a devious smile forming on her lips. Jessica approaches the cashier, a charming grin on her face. The cashier says,
That'll be $89.99, please.
Jessica hands over her credit card, but as the cashier starts the transaction, she interrupts.
Actually, I changed my mind. I don't want it anymore.
The cashier says.
No problem, ma'am. You have the receipt.
Jessica shakes her head apologetically. Jessica says.
I'm not supposed to misplace it.
The cashier hesitates for a moment, then sighs and processes the return.
Created using Powtoon.